So I'm gonna start with my ETUDE House Moistfull Deep Cream as my moisturizer. This is super moisturizing and just gives your skin a subtle glow. Also, this product just leaves your skin super soft, especially if you have dry skin. Next up, I'm using this Luminous makeup base from Moly and mainly focusing the product on my cheeks since that's where I want to catch most of the glow and light. And this is super moisturizing as well, a little bit oily sometimes, but it just really gives you a super nice natural glow. And then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and just apply it in the areas that need more brightening and coverage, mainly my under eyes and the center of my face. And then I'm just gonna blend it all out with my finger. And now I'm just spot concealing with the same concealer over my imperfections and just gently blending it out with my finger. Now I'm taking my sleek luminous powder. It's basically a compact powder that has a little bit of sheen in it. And I'm just gonna be powdering a little bit on the sides of my nose, just in places that you don't want to be highlighted, and just the sides of my face, but leaving the cheek area clear from any powder. Now I'm taking my Canmake shading powder. This is just a nice warm brown shade, and I'm just gonna add that in the sides of my face and just a little bit on my temples as well as my jawline. I'm trying to make it into like this V-line jawline shape. And then for eyebrows, I'm just taking this Moly Auto Eyebrow Pencil and just filling in my eyebrows. And then I'm just gonna set my eyebrows in place with a brow gel. And this step I almost forgot again, but I'm just gonna lightly contour the sides of my nose. After that, I'm gonna take my sleek blush in rose gold, and I don't know if you can see it, but it has like tiny gold flecks inside, which makes it a luminous blush, and I'm just gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Now for mascara, I'm just taking my Maybelline Push Up Angel Mascara and curling my eyelashes and then applying the product on my top lashes. then for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Megaglo in Precious Petals. And I'm just gonna sweep a little bit on the apples of my cheeks as well as my cheekbone, just so that when I smile, it just catches the light and gives an added glow. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of the highlighter on my chin, cupid's bow, and temples. And I'm gonna take this Maybelline powder matte in the shade Almond Pink. It's just a really nice and natural rosy pink kind of shade. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit on my lips and blend it out. Now for a little bit of moisture and added gloss, I'm gonna take my Lucas PawPaw Ointment and just apply a little bit on my lips. And this part is just optional, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the ointment on my cheeks just for like an extra glow. But you don't have to do this if you're really conscious about like the feeling and stickiness of the gloss.